Hey everyone! Today I'm going to help you fix one of the most common problems iPhone users face, connection issues. Whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile data, these problems can be super frustrating. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with the easiest fix. Restart your iPhone. I know, it sounds simple, but sometimes just turning your phone off and on again clears temporary glitches and restores the connection.
If that doesn't work, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. This will erase your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices, but it won't delete your personal data. It often solves weird connection problems.
Still not working? Then make sure your iOS is up to date. Apple regularly fixes bugs through updates. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. It might be all you need.
For Bluetooth issues, make sure the other device is turned on, nearby, and ready to connect. You can also try turning Bluetooth off and on, or forgetting the device and pairing it again from scratch.
And if you're having problems with cellular data, check that your data is turned on, airplane mode is off, and your APN settings are correct. If you're still having trouble, contact your mobile carrier to see if there's an outage or SIM issue.
And finally, if none of these tips help, the issue might be hardware-related. In that case, it's a good idea to visit an Apple store or a certified repair center for a proper diagnosis.
I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you next time!